Good morning, students. How are you? I hope so. You must be safe and fine at home. So, today we are going to start with chapter number 22, Growth and Personality Development. Heredity, the process by which physical or mental qualities passes from parent to child. Yes. So, in heredity, what is there? It is a factor or a characteristic present in the parents are passed to the new generation. Okay, so that is the heredity. Okay, so our looks, our build and other physical characteristics are like those of our parents. आप कैसे दिखते हो? आप अपने पेरेंट्स की तरह दिखते हो कि नहीं? तो क्यों दिखते हो? क्योंकि जो हेरिडिटी कैरेक्टर है वो आपके पेरेंट्स से आपको मिली है. दैट इज वाई यू लुक समवॉट like your parents. Okay, peoples of one family show similarity in many ways. Some of our features or traits are like those of our grandparents or our parents' sibling. That is why sometimes people who know them recognize us even if they have never met before. ठीक है, तो we could identify the peoples immediately. If little bit match is there, we can identify, you are the son of so and so person. So how it is possible? Yes, because of the hereditary character which has been passed on from your parents to the sibling. Okay, being born with certain feature or trait in a common with a member of our family is heredity. These are inherent traits. Even though many of our traits are like those of our family member, one has any control over which the trait we inherit and which we will not. Is that clear? See, even though many of our traits are like though our family members, no one has any control over which trait we will inherit and which we will not. Personality development. During growth, our height and weight increases. Height of the children increases with age. Proper, nutritious food make child healthy. Skills are learned by children and practice make them efficient. How do we learn new skills? As we grow, we keep on learning new skills with help of our parents, teacher and others. Since practice make perfect and efficiency comes when the child keep on practicing the same thing again and again. Efficiency in children develop to do work confidently without any mistake. Which are the factors supporting growth? First, nutritious food, proper exercise, playing, developing hobbies, habit of studying well, participating in sports, avoiding addiction. Never get addicted to smartphone. For better personal development, we inherit the ability to learn many skills. The growing age is the time of recognize this ability and to develop our skill. Developing our skill help us to live an independent, useful and enriched life. Okay. Next we are going to see each one has a unique personality. In your class, there must be some children who are good in studies while others are not good. Okay, so some of the children may be good at sport or game. Some sings well and some like act in a play. So every person is different from all other. Okay, our physical and mental makeup is not the same as that of anyone else. Our personality develops through our interests, efforts, what we like to do, and what we practiced every day. Keep this thing in mind, it is very helpful for you. Okay, so what is saying? What we like to do, हमें क्या पसंद है और हम रोज क्या करते हैं. Okay, what we practice every day. During the growing years, we also learn to tell what is good, what is bad. Our personality can be said to be excellent only when we put good thoughts in practice. So whatever good thoughts are there, that you have to practically put in your practice. Okay, our personality can be said to be excellent only when you are going to put good thought in your practice. Whatever you are doing, it should be good only. Whether it must be reading, whether it must be writing, whatever activity is there, I have to do it perfectly and in good manner. Okay? Our personality can be said to be excellent only when we put good thoughts into practice. We do not learn good values only to write about them in exam. They must be reflected in our behavior. So students, our personality, when it reflects, when you bring all good thoughts in your behavior. Okay? So students, with this I am completing the topic. Okay, so today I have completed the remaining part of the chapter number 22. So we have to go with our activity now. Bye.